Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door magnet in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to use a large and a smaller flathead screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door magnet. There are two door magnets in this refrigerator, one on each door. The purpose of the door magnet is to initiate the read switch, informing the main control board of the door status. If your refrigerator starts sounding the open door alarm, check if the door is closed. Then, if the read switch is good, replace the door magnet. The door magnet could be simply missing. I'm going to climb up to the top of the fridge. Here is a freezer door, and here's the magnet down there. See that little thing? That's the magnet. I'm going to use one flathead screwdriver to push this tab of the magnet. Then I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver to actually pry the magnet out. This is the old door magnet next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new magnet goes in, just drop it in, and it's ready to go. To replace the fresh food door magnet, we'll do the same thing. Absolutely. Same procedure. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.